Business law forms the backbone of modern commerce, establishing the rules and frameworks that allow businesses to operate with confidence and security. Without these legal structures, the business world would be chaotic, unpredictable, and ultimately unsustainable. At its core, business law serves several fundamental functions. It maintains order in commercial relationships, establishes clear standards for business conduct, protects the rights of all stakeholders, and provides mechanisms for resolving disputes. These functions create a predictable environment where businesses can thrive. The legal framework encompasses numerous specialized areas that touch every aspect of business operations. Contract law governs agreements between parties, ensuring that promises are kept and transactions proceed smoothly. Corporate law defines different business structures, from sole proprietorships to multinational corporations, each with distinct legal implications for liability and taxation. For entrepreneurs and business owners, business law provides essential guidance from day one. When forming a new venture, legal considerations help determine the optimal structure based on liability concerns, tax implications, and management preferences. Whether choosing a limited liability company, corporation, or partnership, these early decisions have far-reaching consequences for a business's future. As businesses grow, they face increasingly complex legal requirements. Registration with government agencies, compliance with industry-specific regulations, and adherence to zoning laws all require legal knowledge. Business law simplifies these processes, providing clarity that supports sustainable growth and expansion. Beyond mere compliance, business law promotes ethical conduct and responsible corporate governance. It sets boundaries for acceptable business behavior, encouraging transparency and accountability. Companies that prioritize legal compliance build trust with their customers, investors, and the public. This trust translates into stronger business relationships and enhanced reputation. In today's regulatory environment, compliance and risk management have become critical concerns for businesses of all sizes. Data protection laws, employment standards, workplace safety regulations, and environmental requirements create a complex web of obligations. Understanding business law helps companies navigate these requirements, implementing policies and training programs that prevent violations before they occur. The importance of business law extends well beyond domestic markets. As commerce becomes increasingly global, businesses must understand how different legal systems interact. International business law addresses cross-border contracts, dispute resolution mechanisms, and regulatory compliance across jurisdictions. This knowledge is essential for companies expanding into new markets or engaging with international partners. One of the most valuable functions of business law is protecting intellectual property and innovation. In knowledge-based economies, ideas and creative works often represent a company's most valuable assets. Trademarks protect brand identities, patents safeguard inventions, copyrights cover creative works, and trade secret laws shield confidential information. These protections encourage innovation by ensuring businesses can benefit from their investments in research and development. For small businesses, understanding basic business law principles can mean the difference between success and failure. Legal knowledge helps entrepreneurs avoid costly mistakes, from poorly drafted contracts to employment law violations. It also empowers business owners to make informed decisions about risk management, insurance coverage, and dispute resolution. When conflicts do arise, business law provides multiple pathways to resolution. While litigation remains an option, alternative dispute resolution methods, like mediation and arbitration, often offer faster, less expensive solutions. These approaches help preserve business relationships while addressing legitimate grievances. The legal landscape continues to evolve as technology transforms business practices. Computer law has emerged as a specialized field addressing digital commerce, cybersecurity, and online privacy. As businesses increasingly operate in virtual environments, understanding these emerging legal areas becomes essential. Business law ultimately serves to balance competing interests within the marketplace. It protects consumers from unfair practices while giving businesses the freedom to innovate and compete. It upholds property rights while ensuring fair access to markets. This delicate balance supports a healthy economic ecosystem where commerce can flourish. By establishing clear rules, promoting ethical conduct, protecting innovation, and providing mechanisms for dispute resolution, business law creates the foundation for sustainable economic growth. For business owners, investors, employees, and consumers alike, understanding these legal frameworks is essential for navigating today's complex commercial landscape with confidence.